How to create a post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a post on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the plus icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the post section. Now from here at the bottom, you'll see several options from there. Be sure to select the post option. And now here on this section, you can just choose the photo or video from your gallery or even take a new one as well. And now here, once you have selected the media, you can just tap on next. And now here on the next section, you can edit your photo or video if you want. And once you're done with it, you can just tap again on next. And after that, on the next section, you can add a caption, location, or tags. And once you're done with that, finally, you can just tap on the next option or share to publish your post. And Instagram current Android posting flow follows these steps. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.